going to go over how to maintain your stick after a hard practice or game in the rain. First thing I would recommend is having a backup and using that backup in a rainstorm. You don't want to play with your gamer in the rain because you could lose your pocket that you have. But just in case you get caught off guard, first thing you want to do is grab paper towels and dry it off as best you can. Here I am with a lax ball. I'm going to put that lax ball in the lacrosse stick. Usually I brace it over some chairs, but I just have my clothing rack here. And leave that ball and stick to dry overnight, and it should be as good as new.